Hello everyone, my name is Justina. This is your sisters. Okay, so recently a lot of sisters have been asking me, they are worried about their belly fat, right? So even for me, I am worried about my belly fat as well. So for today, I am going to tell you it is not possible for you to directly convert the belly fat into the body heat, but there still have some ways for you to help you to reduce the fat percentage and also increase your body's metabolism, which can indirectly to increase your body heat. Here's the 5 ways for you to achieve this. First, engage your regular exercise.
Hello and welcome back to Know How. In today's video, we'll tell you 8 amazing benefits of jogging only 20 minutes a day.
2. Consume a balanced diet. 3. Increase your daily activity level. 4. Get enough sleep.
We spend 1/3 of life sleeping. The following videos will discuss why sleep is important, what we know about the biology of sleep, and what are some of the common sleep disorders. We hope that you will have a better understanding of the benefits of sleep and how to make sure you are getting the right amount of quality sleep to maximize your health and happiness.
5. Using technology.